We all love a sweet treat now and then. But did you know that refined sugar can have hidden long-term effects on our brain health? Let's dive into how common this ingredient can be much more harmful than you think. When you consume foods high in refined sugar, your blood glucose levels spike quickly. This rapid rise in glucose is followed by a swift drop, leading to what's called a sugar crash. And these fluctuations can impair our cognitive functions because the brain relies on a steady supply of glucose for energy. And when glucose levels spike and crash, it affects the neurotransmitters. It affects these neurotransmitters that become unstable, that can disrupt cognitive processes like our memory, our attention, and our executive function. Excessive sugar intake promotes oxidative stress through inflammation throughout the body, including our brain. And oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, leading to cell damage. This stress activates microglial cells, the brain's resident immune cells, resulting in neuroinflammation. And chronic activation of these cells release inflammatory cytokines, which can damage neurons and synapses, contributing to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. And high sugar consumption can lead to insulin resistance, not only in your body, but also in your brain. Insulin is crucial for regulating glucose uptake in the brain cells and helps maintain synaptic plasticity, which is essential for learning and memory. And when the brain becomes insulin resistant, neurons struggle to assess glucose, leading to energy shortages and impaired cognitive function. This can also disrupt the metabolism of the amyloid beta, a protein associated with Alzheimer's disease, potentially accelerating its development. And refined sugars influence the balance of crucial neurotransmitters in our brain like serotonin and dopamine. Serotonin, which contributes to the feelings of well-being and happiness, can become imbalanced. This is due to sugar's effect on the tryptophan metabolism. Simultaneously, sugar causes surges in dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter similar to addictive substances. These fluctuations can lead to mood swings, increased anxiety, and even depression as the brain becomes less capable of stabilizing the key chemicals over time. The hippocampus, a crucial brain area for learning and memory, is highly sensitive to dietary inputs. High sugar intake has been associated with impairments in hippocampal function, reducing the brain's ability to form new memories and retrieve old ones. Additionally, chronic high sugar consumption can lower levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein essential for growth and survival of neurons. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor plays a critical role in neurogenesis and synaptic plasticity, which are necessary for learning and memory. Refined sugar consumption has been shown to decrease this brain-derived neurotrophic factor levels, leading to impairments in these vital processes. And reduced brain-derived neurotrophic factor levels are not only linked to cognitive deficits, but also to an increased risk of mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. And refined sugar disrupts the gut microbiome, a complex community of microorganisms that play a significant role in overall health, including our brain function. And a diet high in sugar will reduce this diversity of this gut bacteria, promoting harmful species that contribute to inflammation. This disruption affects the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication network between the gut and our brain. Changes in gut microbiota can lead to increased intestinal permeability, or what we call leaky gut syndrome, allowing inflammation, those substances, to enter the bloodstream and reach the brain, further contributing to neuroinflammation and altering our brain function. Understanding the hidden dangers of refined sugar is the first step, the number one step to better brain health. Those refined processed sugars is toxic, it's acidic, it's inflammatory. It leads to obesity. It leads to cardiovascular problems. It leads to metabolic syndrome, diabetes, as well as autoimmune disorders. And start incorporating more fruits and vegetables. Those natural fibers are healing for your body. It affects your glucose and insulin levels. It affects your digestion, helps cleanse your colon, helps get rid of those toxins. Get your exercise, get your sleep, and limit your stress levels. Start incorporating a healthy you, and you will see great changes, not only in your body, but in your brain as well. Please share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.